2020 is of course one of the worst years of all time. Similarly, each year some terrible events do occur. So today, we are going to discuss the worst events that occurred each year from 2011 to 2020. Welcome to Amazing Facts. 2011. 2011 has been the year with long-running events like the Arab Spring, Eurozone crisis, phone hacking scandal, terrorist attacks, the deaths of key world figures, and devastating natural disasters around the globe. Also, we have already made an interesting video about the top 10 natural disasters in human history. So if you are interested, you can watch it. But as the most terrible, we have selected the Japanese earthquake and tsunami of 2011. The event began with a powerful earthquake off the northeastern coast of Honshu, Japan's main island, which caused widespread damage on land and initiated a series of large tsunami waves that devastated many coastal areas of the country, most notably in the Tohoku region. The tsunami also launches a major nuclear accident at a power station along the coast. More than 120,000 buildings were destroyed. Financial damage was estimated to be about $199 billion, according to the Japanese government. The total economic cost could reach up to $235 billion, the World Bank estimated, making it the costliest natural disaster in world history. The number of confirmed deaths were about 15,894, and more than 2,500 people were reported missing. After this, structure of buildings prone to the tsunami was reviewed and also improved within 5 years. 2012. In 2012, it was predicted that the Earth is going to be destroyed on 21st December. But that's not the worst event, as the Earth is still rotating on the same axis around the Sun. We have selected the worst event of 2012 to be Hurricane Sandy. On October 22, 2012, a tropical depression formed off the northeastern coast of Nicaragua in Caribbean Sea. 2 days later, it strengthened and became a disastrous hurricane as it moved northeast. Hurricane Sandy passed over Jamaica, the Dominican Republic, and Haiti, affecting 24 states and all of the eastern, causing an estimated $70.2 billion in damages. The death toll in the United States from this hurricane was estimated to be 48 in New York, 12 in New Jersey, 5 in Connecticut, 2 in Pennsylvania, and 5 in other states, resulting in a total of at least 147 deaths in the Northeast United States, Canada, and the Caribbean. Sandy also destroyed over 72,000 homes and businesses in New Jersey and damaged or destroyed 600,000 housing units in New York. After this, state funding was provided to help struggling people to rebuild their homes. In fact, New York and New Jersey also invested in rebuilding their outdated infrastructure meant to prevent flooding. 2013. Typhoon Haiyan. As the Philippines is one of the most disaster-prone countries in the world, Super Typhoon Haiyan, also known as Super Typhoon Yolanda, made landfall in the Philippines on November 8, 2013. It adversely affected the Visayas group of islands, the country's central region, and home to 17 million people. Haiyan was one of the most powerful storms in 2013 and also one of the most powerful typhoons of all time in history. With wind speeds more than 150 miles per hour, Haiyan was classified as a super typhoon. However, its massive storm surge was even more destructive. Local officials estimated the Tacloban city on the island of Leyte was 90% destroyed. The typhoon's fury affected more than 14 million people across 44 provinces, displacing 4.1 million people, killing more than 6,000 people, and leaving 1,800 missing. In addition, Typhoon Haiyan damaged 1.1 million houses, destroyed 33 million coconut trees, and disrupted the livelihoods of 5.9 million workers. Overall damage is estimated to be around $5.8 billion. 2014. In 2014, no doubt, Ebola epidemic was the worst event. The deadliest outbreak of Ebola, a deadly hemorrhagic fever, started in West Africa in the spring of 2014 and began to spread rapidly in late summer. Most of the epidemic was contained in 3 continents: Guinea, Sierra Leone, and Liberia. The latest World Health Organization figures report that more than 6,000 people have died from the outbreak out of 17,100 total cases. The contagious disease created a global epidemic that has not been yet contained. The average fatality rate of Ebola virus disease was around 50%. The incubation period was from 2 to 21 days. Symptoms include fever, fatigue, muscle pain, headache, and sore throat followed by vomiting, diarrhea, rash, symptoms of impaired kidney and liver function, and in some cases, internal and external bleeding. Laboratory findings include low white blood cell and platelet counts and elevated liver enzymes. 2015. Syria refugee crisis. In 2010, Syrian civil war started, which caused millions of refugees to leave Syria, The conflict in Syria had driven more than 4 million people, a sixth of population by 2015, to seek sanctuary in neighboring countries, making it the largest refugee crisis. With at least 7.6 million people forced from their homes within Syria, almost half of the country's people were either refugee or internally displaced. The conflict in its fifth year killed more than 220,000 people. This refugee crisis mainly roils Europe. It was hit by a wave of nearly 1 million refugees, as they were seeking to escape the horrors of the Syrian civil war or instability and violence elsewhere. They also include economic migrants, seeking better job opportunities. However, this refugee movement is not only in 2015, but it is going on from 2010, after the war, and in total, it has resulted in lots of confusion, devastations, and deaths. But in 2015, the impact of it was at peak, also affecting many nearby countries and many European countries. So that's it for today, guys. We will bring the worst events from 2016 to 2020 in next video of part 2 of this video within 1 to 2 days. Till then, stay tuned. If you like this video, don't forget to drop down a like. And if you know any other worst events, let us know below in the comment section. If you want to see more such videos, please subscribe to my channel, pressing the bell icon. Till then, take care.